So ladies, when it's that time of the month, we have officially created an alkaline natural product specifically for you. This product is called Cramps. It has everything that you need to relieve those cramps effectively. But what is cramps? What is happening in the body? Cramps happen basically when blood is trying to flow through the uterus and there's a stoppage. Cramps before and during period result from the blood flow being stagnated or slowing down due to the chilling effects that the uterus contractions cause, which ultimately causes lower abdominal pain. When the blood flow is stagnated, women feel what is known as a cramp in that area or that entire blood flow chain. When you apply anything cold to the blood, it slows down. Think about a piece of ice. If you warm a piece of ice, the ice and the water is flowing, but when you freeze, it slows everything down. This is the same thing that's happening in the uterus when the woman is on her menstrual cycle. So we want to have herbs that warm that area. That's why when women use the heating pad, it helps relieve the pain. It helps relieve the cramps. This is because it's warming that area and it's allowing that blood to move freely. More information like this can be found on our website under cramps. So we want to go to herbs that go inside of the body, go inside of the blood, create that heat, like ginger, which is like nature's ibuprofen. Angelica is another one that provides heat to the body. That's like nature's aspirin. So now that we got the blood flowing properly, we also want to take care of the spasms too. So we got to provide the nervous system something as well. But we go to herbs like the blessed thistle and many other herbs and many other alkaline natural herbs that provide the nervous system with the nourishment that it needs so it slows down the spasm. Also want to energize the body because you're losing a lot of blood, so we also want to provide you with iron. So we go to the alkaline iron plants like the quassia. And we also have to allow the female body to effectively shed what's no longer needed in their system, which is one of the most important parts about the flow. Am I wrong, ladies? Am I wrong? So that essential effective flow, we go to the skull kelp. We go to the wild yam. So you can easily see why this alkaline approach tops anything else that you're gonna find. And it actually works and it's good for you. Because not only are these specific herbs helping with those specific things that I talked about, but they are also nourishing the body with their specific minerals that's needed, especially the blood during that specific time. And baby, best believe we're gonna get you together too, because not only do we have the tablets, but we have the cream as well as the oil that you can rub on the skin, let it soothe right into the pores, get into the bloodstream, as well as you take the tablets as well, that's going internally and allowing the fibers of the herbs to get down into the specific organs and do what they need to do. And we're gonna make it in a liquid version as well for the extra severe cases. And to make it irresistible, we're gonna put in a heating pad in there for you too. We want you to go into your monthly cycle on a very high vibration. The planet is evolving, you are evolving, especially you, being the creators of the human race. So to show you love, during one of your most sacred times of the month, you can keep it alkaline with cramps.